Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at BNB here. For some reason our analysis from our previous video did disappear, so we're just going to redraw this in. Probably looking at some key levels, a very key level here. A key level up at obviously this double top that we did see for the whole market. And we'd say, you know, there's a key level in and around this level area that we are currently trading at, we would say about here as well. So Binance, a crypto that has done very well in the bear market in general, we would say. You can obviously see from this swing high down to that low, we only dropped around 72%, which is actually, you know, around, it's pretty much as what Bitcoin has done, hasn't it? Maybe even a bit less than Bitcoin. And since then, it's had a huge renaissance, hasn't it? It's only down 46 or 47% from that all-time high right now, which really, in our opinion, does show the strength of the Binance platform in general. Obviously, we all know Binance, by far the biggest crypto platform in the world. An absolutely incredible platform, a huge amount of assets. Obviously, they are just a huge platform with a massive amount of volume. And we do think, you know, because of the actual utility of the Binance coin potentially on the platform as well as just, you know, people's belief of the strength of the platform, it has seen, you know, a pretty good bear market scenario in our opinion. You can see here that it has, you know, it's been looking very strong, really. You could say really it's only really just been in a range, hasn't it, ever since, you know, we got up to this level at around $200, up to an all-time high there of $667. But since then we really haven't, you know, we've obviously come down, we've had a big drop to retest this low here, but really just formed a huge range, haven't we? And it's looking very strong in our opinion. You can see multiple times we did actually come down, have some drops that did come down and retest this swing low before as well. Obviously we came up and we formed that big double top with the huge bearish divergences, price action coming up, RSI coming down. So we roll over to that next key level of support, but obviously with the wider conditions of cryptocurrency in general, you can see on the daily time frame here, we did just form lower lows and lower highs, all the way down to retest that previous swing low key level of support at around $190, $200 there. But pretty much got a pick up off that level straight away, didn't we? You can see we got horribly overextended here into that support level. And then over the next few months, going into July and August, we did recover pretty much all the way back up to this level here, forming, you know, potentially a little bit of a range, looking something like this. You know, we could say realistically that, you know, we came down here, we formed the range high, the range low, and the range high, you know, with this huge wick here. We come down, we get the overextension back down to that previous swing low of support. We come back up, we make our way back up through our EMAs, etc. And then we come back inside the range, we retest the top, we retest the bottom 3 times again, forming, you know, this kind of area of key area of structure and support there. It would be actually pretty good if I could stop deleting my technical analysis there. And you can see here, you know, we've retested that low 3 times here. And then looking like we've had over the past few weeks a very nice move to the upside indeed, and looking like potentially today at around $351, currently looking like we might be breaking out of this range that we have been in here, and at least currently retesting this previous swing low support as resistance in and around this area here. We'd say around $356 though. So Binance looking very interesting in general. We'd say also something very interesting to consider as well. A lot of cryptocurrencies right now have formed a bear market resistance, we are calling it, where basically you've got your, it starts at the bear market high. You can see resistance all the way down here. And this trend line, we've actually broken out of it over the past few weeks for Binance as well, which is very interesting and very bullish in our opinion as well. You can see here, we break out here, we flip the EMAs bullish as well, and looking like we run all the way up to the top of the range, which would have been our target if we'd seen this sooner, and now looking like potentially breaking out of the range here as well. So looking very bullish overall for Binance. And if I just pull this Fibonacci here from that swing high down to that swing low, you can see some of our key levels that are currently being respected to the absolute T. You can see one of the main reasons here that we are getting stuck at that level is that we are touching the 050 there pretty much perfectly as a key level of resistance, which is very interesting to see, isn't it? But, you know, overall Binance looking very strong indeed, and very interestingly, we are forming higher highs and higher lows here, and, you know, pretty much reversing the trend of this, you know, lower lows and lower highs that we've seen for the bear market. So interesting to see what will happen next. Obviously we've got our higher high, our higher low, we break out of key levels of resistance here, you know, we're getting back up through our Fibonacci levels. The 023 reclaimed here. The 038, obviously we've got the fake out here. We come back up. We can see we're getting a bit stuck under the 038 in this level here. Now we've ran up and broken through it. Now we're getting stuck under our next level of resistance at the Fibonacci at the 050. So higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And, you know, if we do see ourselves coming up towards that 618, that would probably be our next target if we did break the 050, because we're just going to be working the fibs from now on, aren't we? Most likely at $400 to $415. This area would be a good area to target. So overall, looking bullish market structure here. You do want to see, you know, a back test of these previous levels of resistance as support and continuation. But overall, we'd say Binance looking pretty good. So price targets, as we said, up to that 618 at $415 would be our next target if we break the 050 here. Or, you know, we want to see that retracement back test of that $338 level here as well at the top of the range if we're rolling over. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.